Is it the right time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, December 14, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 3, 2023, our system has ranked Intel as a buy candidate, with a score of 4.80. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 18.46% since we first listed Intel as a buy candidate 29 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.64% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the midst of a strong upward trend, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the past 3 months, there is a projected 28.57% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 9.16% to 38.58%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the trend suggests a 49.92% change in the stock's value, with a potential return between 14.47% and 44.8%. This would result in a price range of $51.72 to $65.42 after a year. Our latest update on Intel brings exciting news. On Thursday, the 14th of December 2023, Intel's stock price experienced a green day, gaining 1.37% and rising from $44.57 to $45.18. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.42%, reaching a low of $44.65 and a high of $47.07. It's worth noting that during this period, the stock price displayed both upward and downward trends. In the last 2 weeks, Intel's stock has seen a 1.07% gain. The trading volume has also increased, which is a positive technical sign. On the last trading day, 35 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day. In total, approximately $3.14 billion worth of Intel shares were bought and sold, with a total of 70 million shares exchanged. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached $47.07, while the lowest price was $24.73. Currently, the stock price is 4.02% or $1.89 below its 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 34.8% or $24.11 below the all-time high, which was recorded on January 24, 2020, when the price reached $69.29. Today, I want to talk about analyst ratings for Intel, the ticker symbol for Intel Corporation. Let's start with the most recent rating. On Wednesday, December 6, 2023, KGI Securities upgraded Intel and gave it an outperform grade. Moving on to Thursday, November 16, 2023, Telsey Advisory also upgraded Intel and rated it as a buy. Another positive rating came from Mizuho Securities on Wednesday, November 15, 2023. They gave Intel a buy grade as well. However, not all ratings were positive. On Friday, October 27, 2023, Bank of America Securities downgraded Intel, giving it an underperform grade. Finally, on the same day, HSBC upgraded Intel but still gave it a hold grade. According to analysts, Intel stock is generally considered a buy. The PE ratio is rated as a strong buy, and the price to book is also considered a strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we're going to talk about some important signals that have been identified for Intel. The Intel stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, the stock will find support from the lines at $43.49 and $41.04. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a rise of 38.93% so far. This suggests a further rise until a new top pivot is found. Notably, the volume is increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. On the other hand, there have been some negative signals as well, which may have some influence on the near short-term development. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator is showing a sell signal. The Pivots indicator had a buy signal 35 days ago. The Bollinger indicator had a buy signal 35 days ago. The short-term moving average had a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average had a buy signal 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages had a buy signal 30 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see that the short moving average had a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average had a buy signal 35 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages had a buy signal 180 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. In this video, we'll discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel currently has support from accumulated volume at $43.35. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day and, with good trading volume, the risk is considered medium. Over the past day, the stock had a price range of $2.42, representing a 5.42% difference between its high and low points. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.41%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Intel, let's begin by covering some essential fundamental data. One crucial measure is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative P/E ratio, it means they have negative earnings or are currently losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to experience downturns due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other important news, the earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on January 25, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $0.430. It's crucial to keep a close watch on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. Currently, there is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating that the stock has the potential to move upward swiftly under favorable conditions. In such a scenario, it might be beneficial to enter a position and use volume as an indicator for determining the appropriate exit point. On the downside, Intel faces its first support level at $43.35. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound in the stock's price. According to multiple analysts, Intel has received a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 3, 2023, Zinsner David purchased 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. On December 3, 2023, Shell Christoph purchased 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. On December 3, 2023, Rivera Sandra L. purchased 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. On December 3, 2023, Holthouse Michelle Johnston purchased 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. On December 3, 2023, Gall Scott purchased 1,596 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be negative at -8.201. In total, insiders have bought 343,034 shares and sold 407,920 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $43.43, which is a decrease of 3.88%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, resulting in a moderate level of risk. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was observed 34 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive signals for Intel stock in the short term. The overall trend is looking good, indicating a potential buying opportunity. Looking at the recent volatility and movements in the market, our system suggests that the current price of Intel stock is undervalued. For the upcoming trading day on Friday, December 15th, we anticipate Intel to open with a gain of $0.453 and start trading at $45.63. Before we begin, let's keep in mind that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions in the stock market. Remember, StockInvest.us is here to provide information, but it's important to understand that your own investment decisions are your responsibility. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to get your opinion on the current view of the stock. Share your thoughts by commenting below. We're eager to hear from you. What's your target for this stock? Let us know. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading insights. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.